Google Pixel 3 Lite will become an inexpensive alternative to powerful flagships. Inexpensive Google Pixel 3 Lite promises to replenish the line of its own smartphones of the search giant and become an inexpensive but highly advanced alternative to powerful flagships. The exact release date of the novelty is not yet known, but its presentation may take place already at CES 2019 in Las Vegas. For all that, Pixel 3 Lite will not be the first budget Google phone. Earlier, Google has already released similar products with other manufacturers. For example, released in the fall of 2015, the LG Nexus 5X. At that time, the underlying 32-bit Snapdragon 808 had become a bit obsolete and was definitely not a top chip. According to insiders, the brain of Google Pixel 3 Lite is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 670. This is a fairly powerful mid-range mobile processor, intermediate between the older Snapdragon 660 and the more advanced Snapdragon 710. Its key feature is the built-in AI accelerator, which takes on the burden of performing machine learning calculations. However, without taking it into account, the Snapdragon 670 provides the Pixel 3 Lite with good performance, thanks to the 8 Creo 360 custom cores. At the same time, the rest of the characteristics of Google Pixel 3 Lite is almost a copy of the usual third Pixel, 4GB of LPDDR4 RAM, 64GB hard drive, although a 32GB version is planned, 2,915 mAh battery and 5.5-inch screen Full HD resolution plus 1080x2160 pixels. Like the regular Pixel 3, the new Lite has a single main camera with a resolution of 12.2 MP, phase autofocus, optical image stabilization and support for dual-pixel technology. At the same time, the front Orca, on the contrary, is double and includes a pair of 8-megapixel modules with different focal lengths of the lenses. Judging by the published online edition of /Leaks, Google Pixel 3 Lite's renderers will inherit one of the most important pieces of their more powerful brethren, pressure-sensitive side faces. At the same time, it will compare favorably with them by the presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack, probably a micro SD card slot.